Magandang hapon, Pilipinas! Nasaan ka na mauso ang dance step na to? Arico Mambo! Arico Mambo, yeah!
Ilang taong ka nang maging popular itong sayaw na to? Shake, body, body dancer! Shake, body, body dancer!
Itong sayo na to.
O baka naman ito na yung mga moves mo. Mga galit na.
Pero kahit anong choreography ba ang trip mo, lahat yan pwede dito because this is Panahon Ko To, ang game show ng buhay ko!
With us today are some of Philippine show business brightest stars. Tawagin na natin sila. Come on, guys. Sakit na kayo dito.
Okay, excited ako dito. Isang award-winning actress, samahan pa ng pop star princess at PBB teen hawk, Miss Gina Pareño, Sarah Ronimo, and Brett, team hating kapatid, plus one.
Hindi naman magpapadaig ang isa pang power trio ng walang upas na si Miss Dina Bonnevie, Karel, and Enrique Hill. Sila ang team Bongga!
Pabonggahan pa ng teams to. Tama. Pues eto ang mga super talented na si Miss Mish Valdez, ang pambansang hurado Vice Ganda, and Ivan of PBB Team Ganders.
Hindi magpapahuli ang grupo ni Mr. Toby Alihar, Chris Bautista, and Cristel Moreno, Team Balbas.
At eto, finally, ready to grab the jackpot mamaya, ang veteran star of the veteran stars.
That's right.
Miss Tita Angge, Richard Poon, and Isabella Viera, silang team Suave.
It's time for Ito Ang Gusto Ko. Kung paano laruin ang round na to, watch this.
Ang round na ito ay tungkol sa ating all-time favorites. May iba't ibang uri ng quizzes na kailangang sagutin. Picture quiz. Audio quiz. Phrase quiz. Video quiz. At scramble quiz. Kapag pumindot ang buzzer, may 3 seconds para sumagot. Kung tama ang sagot, 1 point for your team. Kung mali o walang sagot, the other teams may steal. The first 3 teams na makakuha ng 2 points, makakasama namin sa susunod na round. Good luck, teams!
Let's play
Ito ang gusto ko.
Nako, exciting to, Luluboy.
Ako to, sobrang excited ako for this afternoon.
Puro bleep to.
Oo, maganda to. Okay, Billy Boy.
All right, starting off with our first quiz, it's an audio quiz. Category, favorite rap song.
Hit it.
Ako'y nasa...
Team Balbas. Okay, sorry. Taas mo na mga kamay. Other teams, may steal.
Ating kapatid, plus 1.
Banyo Queen ba yan?
Coming from of all people, strategy. Banyo Queen is
Banyo
correct! 1 point for team
point.
ating kapatid. Let's hear it.
Mr. Andrew E. Alam mo to?
Sa lahat po talaga kay Sarah nang galing ang banyo.
Banyo
Good job,
Queen.
team ating kapatid. Okay?
ni Sarah, no?
Okay,
Team.
Susunod ay isang phrase quiz. Category, favorite book. Hit it. Team Suave.
Suave.
Hands up. Taas ang mga kamay. Other teams may steal.
Ating kapatid, plus 1.
Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince.
From Banyo Queen to Harry Potter is correct. Ating kapatid, plus 1.
Ating kapatid, you are moving on. Galing. Galing. Ang galing. Ang galing ng team hating Ang bilis nun, ha?
Ang bilis nun.
Ang bilis.
Hindi, alam mo, kasama ko si Sarah for 2 months. Talaga nagbabasa ng mga libro yan. Twilight,
job.
Harry Potter. Galing
Good
talaga ni
job,
Sarah G.
ating kapatid.
Okay, next quiz is a video quiz. Category is favorite TV series.
Hit it.
Better, stronger.
Team Balbas.
Bionic Man?
Bionic Man is wrong. Taas mo mga kamay. Taas mo mga kamay. Taas mo na kamay.
Steal.
Team Suave. Taas mo na kamay. Taas mo na kamay. Steal. Team Ganders.
Bionic Gay.
Taas
point. Team Bongga.
$6 Million Man.
That is wrong. Taas mga kamay. Other teams may steal. Nakahabol. Team Ganders.
The Bionic Man.
That is still wrong. Steal. Team Albas.
The $6 Million Man.
Correct.
Kailangan buo. It has to be the full name talaga.
Okay. Our next quiz, isang scramble quiz. Category, favorite Bible quotation. Hit it!
Team Suave.
Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, I will give you rest.
Correct! That is from Matthew 11:28.
Okay, next quiz. Pakinig mabuti, it's an audio quiz. Category is favorite friendship song.
Hit it! Team Bongga.
Oh my God. If you hold on together.
Sorry, hindi pumabot. Taas mga kamay. May steal. Team Ganders.
If we hold on together.
If we hold on
together.
1 point for Team Ganders. Kantayin natin lahat. Let's hear it.
We hold on together.
Wow, ano kamay ni Ivan?
No, I dream will
Okay? Our next quiz ay isang video quiz. Category, favorite video game series. Hit it!
Team Bongga.
Rock Band.
Rock Band is wrong.
Taas natin ang mga kamay natin and you may steal. Team Balbas.
Guitar Hero.
Correct!
Let's watch it. Magaling ka dyan, Christian.
Sa ano, sa drums.
Galing, no?
Team Balbas, you are moving on! Okay.
Okay, next quiz is a picture quiz. Category is favorite Philippine animal. Hit it. Team Suave.
Tarsier.
Tarsier is correct, Team Suave! Team Suave, you are moving on!
There we have it. Kompleto na ang tatlong teams na makakasama natin sa next round.
Team Bongga, Team Ganders, thank you very much. At syempre ang ating hot na hot round susunod na sa pagpapatuloy ng Panahon Ko To!